To set side and volume up case, a shortcut to mute all sound in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Tap side and volume up case and then select mute all sound. Now you can easily enable or disable mute all sound feature by pressing the side and volume up case at the same time. And then select mute all sound. While you are muting all sound, you cannot use volume button to adjust the volume level, and you are only be able to put your phone in silent or vibrate mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.